Are you tired of paying for CapCut Pro features or looking for free video editing app? Here is the best and a game changer for your video editing, the Power Director. And the good news is that it is free. It has no watermark during exporting. It allows you to export 4K Ultra HD quality video, and it works both on Android, iPhone, or any other iOS devices. The incredible part is that it comes with some special features for editing faceless video. Watch to the end because I'll be showing you how to download it for free. Without wasting time, let's check it out. This is how the interface looks like, just similar to CapCut. First here we have our new project just as it is in CapCut. Then here we have auto edit, where you can easily create your reels from your long form video. All you definitely need to do is just to select your long form video, and then you can easily create your reels or short video as it is. And then here we have image to video. Here you can transform any image of your choice to video. And then also we have AI art. Here has features for your design, especially graphics, using AI. It comes with video enhancer, where you upgrade the quality of your video. It also comes with AI anime video. You see most of these videos where people animated themselves. You can definitely do it with this game-changing video editing app. And the other thing we see here is auto capture. You can definitely create auto capture for your audio during your video editing, just like CapCut. And here we have photo enhancer for those that want to upscale their photo or want quality photo. And here we also have remove BG, that's for background remover for your video, for those of you that wants to remove the background pics for your thumbnail. And here we have adjust speed. Scrolling to the right, we also have trim. We also have AI video upscale. If your video were created in SD quality or low quality like HD quality, you can upscale your video to higher HD quality. You see that? And then here we have voice changer. This is for those targeting US audience. You can definitely clone your voice here, change it to whatever you feel like, and you can target US audience here. And then here is fix check. Maybe you are making a video and it is not stable, your camera is not stable. You can fix it here using this stabilizer. Here we have facial mosaic. Some of those videos that are highly sensitive, you can use this to censor those kind of video. Then here we have body effects. Just like CapCut, you can create different body effects, either dancing or whatsoever. So without much more, let's click on new project. But before then, there are some special features down here I would like us to introduce. When we look down here, we have the home, and then next we have the project. Next we have the AI magic and the Pro. You can see Power Director Pro. You've unlocked these Pro features and content. So definitely I will show you how to also get this app. So let's click on new projects. It gives you several opportunities to select either pre-recorded video, just the one you've seen on the screen, or you can import photos or other videos like we have Getty Stock. You can use their Getty Stock. You can use iStock. You look at their iStock, they have a lot of videos for you to use. You can also use their Jiffy, and it also comes with an inbuilt feature for your faceless video editing called Pexels and Pixabay. So you have a lot of stock videos that you can use even to back up your video editing. You can check them out. So important. This you may not find it elsewhere. Also, it has teaser day. So you can see these incredible features of teaser day with thousands and millions of stock video. All you need to do is to search for the kind of stock video on the search bar, and it pop up. You select it and you now use it for your editing. So let's say I'm looking for stock videos like dancing, and I needed to use it to explain one of my video. All I'll definitely do is to type dancing and then search. You can see a lot of dancing videos you can use for free. So let me go back and add a video to show you how it works. So I'll click on this insert, and then I will now select my video and click next. So you can see I have my video here on my screen. What I need to do next, I can change the video size by going down here and looking for ratio aspect, and then I can change it to 16:9, and my video now fits perfectly. That's not just test one of the features to show that it is free. We are going to test auto capture. So I'll click on test. I'll now click on auto capture. You can see we have a lot of capture templates that are free. So without wasting time, let me click on this second one. I will now click on start, and that's just for you have opportunity for bilingual captions. You can see it, but I'm not going to use that feature now to be fast with this video. So I will click on start. So you can see our auto caption has been applied successfully. Let's take a look at it.
Oh God, I never expected this. Look at what YouTube has paid me.
You can see that it is actually working. So let's try and export it if the app is going to allow us to export it for free. So let's click on export. And you see here we have the project and you have other resolution you can select, but I'm going to select Ultra HD, which is the 4K, and then I will now click on produce. My video has started exporting. Please stay in the foreground until producing is complete. So guys, you've seen how good this editing app look like. It is incomparable. So get this editing app called Power Director. I have written all the information you need to know and put it in form of a short article and published it on my Medium page where you can access it for free. I've also dropped the link in this video description where you go get it. You read through it, you just get it there. Thanks for watching. Have a lovely day.